to today's episode, and today's been a little bizarre, man. I don't even know how to call it. Man, I was trying to repaint, not even repaint, but re-clear coat my interior pieces because I customized it myself. I did it myself, and after I got it back from the collision center, from whatever they were doing as far as welding my car back together, as far as the fender from my last accident, it just created a lot of dust, and the pieces looked all dusty. My shifter panel looked all crazy, and I just got tired of looking at it. And since I'm heading up to SEMA in November, I was like, man, let's just get this done before heading up to SEMA. Not that I'm gonna show off my car or anything. My car ain't shit, but you know, I just, you know, wanted to look certain. I just wanted my car back to normal before I head out there. Long story short. So yeah, the pieces just came out like trash, man, and I'm like in disbelief at this point. My whole mood is just kind of difficult, and it's just like, damn. So now I gotta order some OEM pieces to replace the pieces that I messed up. And yeah, maybe I could use paint stripping or whatever the hell, but I'm just over it, man. I'd just rather just bring the car back to its original form and just move on. But yeah, that's my day for today. That's my little rant. But excuse me. So I'm heading out to Wild Horse today. RADWOOD is in town, and for those who don't know what RADWOOD is, it's basically an 80s and 90s themed car meet. So I'm heading down south to Wild Horse to check that out for you guys, give you guys some content, so y'all just ride along and y'all stay tuned so I can show y'all what's going on out there. All right, y'all, we here. Looks like it's just gonna take a little bit to get in, unlike last time I was here, but y'all just hang tight.
Hi.
How you doing?
You have your QR code, or are you paying now?
Paying now.
Okay, general admission okay?
Yeah, that's
All right, perfect. I'll get you ready.
okay.
Perfect. So one ticket is $21.75. Approved. Awesome. So I'm gonna give you this wristband. You're gonna go all the way down to that pink arrow for parking. And then after that, just go ahead and walk over to the event. Have a good time.
All right, thank you.
Of course.
All right, y'all, we in. I'm gonna try to park. They got drifting going on too. I kind of want to check that out because I've seen some cool cars pull up, man. Might have to pull out the drone and steal some footage. You feel me? Man, this ZR1 looks sick right here, bro. Look at that. Shout out to this guy. Doesn't look like much going on just yet, but that's what we're looking at so far. You see all the Radford School raceway cars and shit. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, it looks pretty little, it looks a little weak out here. The AMR2 looks pretty dope. Monty SS, like the GT, TRX, the DJ, but I'm gonna go check this area out there. There's drifting going on too, though.
Spinning out
thoughts about Redwood. It wasn't a bad meet for what the theme was. I mean, 80s and 90s, I think the only cars that I ever really liked from the 90s are muscle cars and of course the high-end vehicles like Ferraris and stuff, which is probably why you see me film more of the Ferraris and everything else versus what all was there as far as like the old school JDM and stuff. Which I did see some cool JDM stuff, don't get me wrong. That MR2 was dope. The Prelude and a bunch of other right-hand drive vehicles that were out there, I thought that was pretty dope, you know, the NSX and everything else. But me personally, I'm a muscle car guy, so anything old school from the 80s and 90s is muscle for me. So with that being said, I give it about an 8 out of 10. And I'm pissed off because when I was there, they had a little drift show going on. It was like a little intermission or whatever. And I got the drone out, did my recording, got the best fucking view ever. Like I was able to get angles and even follow the cars as they were going. And sure enough, I stopped recording, tried to check my phone for footage, and the footage isn't there. So I kind of get what I deserve in that aspect, because I knew better. I knew I should have brought my SIM card and just put it in the drone, but sometimes it records to my cell phone. But enough of it. So overall, it was a cool little event. I got to meet somebody over there who's, you know, kind of connected with a lot of car events and things like that. So hopefully in the future I can link up with him. So yeah, today wasn't that bad. So yeah, we're just gonna leave it at that. For you guys that's been watching, thank you for watching, thank you for supporting. But if you are not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Your support means everything. It helps me hit the algorithm, it helps my channel get bigger. Y'all know how this works. But other than that, you guys, I thank you for tuning in, and you guys take it easy.